friends, this is me, Mehvesh, your host. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Best Book for You. I hope you all are well and doing great. Today I am back with another video to continue our UK test preparation. But before we move towards our practice test questions, I want to tell you about this website which link is given just in front of you on the slide, which is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. So this is our website on which you can find every best-selling book. And every book is available on the best price. So if you wanted to read, wanted to buy a book for yourself, or you wanted to gift it to your friends or family, you can buy it easily from our website. And if you wanted, you can also visit our website and you can see that you can get more or less on some selected books. So visit our website right now and buy your favorite books. Now, in addition to these books, we also have this product which is A1 5-star LED handheld shower head with hose and bracket. This is our product, and here at the left side you can see the picture. So you can buy it from amazon.uk by using this keyword. That Message by Damien Boyd. The D.I. Nick Dixon Crime Book 13, and graffiti is a dying art in this thriller from the best-selling D.I. Nick Dixon crime series. That Message by Damien Boyd is a gripping crime thriller that plunges readers into the heart of a chilling investigation. Set against the backdrop of the picturesque English countryside, Detective Inspector Nick Dixon finds himself embroiled in a complex case that tests his skills and resolve like never before. The story opens up with the discovery of a dead body in the tranquil waters of a local reservoir, sending shockwaves through the tight-knit community. As Dixon and his team delve into the investigation, they uncover a tangled web of secrets and deceit lurking beneath the surface of this seemingly idyllic town. Damien Boyd masterfully crafts a narrative that keeps reader on the edge of their seats, weaving together intricate plot twists and compelling characters. With each page done, the tension mounts as Dixon races against the clock to unravel the truth behind the mysterious death. Now, as the investigation progresses, Dixon is confronted with mounting pressure from all sides. From his superiors demanding results, to to the relentless scrutiny of the media. Yet, amid the chaos, he remains steadfast in his pursuit of justice, determined to bring the perpetrator to justice no matter the cost. Boyd deftly explores themes of morality, redemption, and the fragility of life in that message, prompting readers to contemplate the complexities of human nature and the consequences of our actions. Through Dixon's eyes, we are drawn into a world where right and wrong are not always clear cut, and where the line between good and evil blurs. Now, as the clues begin to fall into place, Dixon finds himself confronting his own demons and grappling with the weight of his decisions. With each revelation, the stakes are raised, leading to a heart-pounding climax that will leave readers breathless until the final page. In the end, that message is more than just a thrilling wood unit. It is a thought-provoking exploration of the human condition, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, and a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope. So, convinced that the death of an art student is connected, Dixon returns to duty, and when graffiti depicting the murders starts to appear, the race is on to find the artist and the murderer. But why the paintings? Could an infamous street artist be involved? With colleagues questioning his every move, Dixon must stop a sadistic killer before another life is taken. Then a second art student is reported missing. Now, what will happen when the second art student is missing? For this, you have to visit our YouTube channel so you can get more information about this book from our YouTube channel, and the link is given at the bio of this page, bio of this TikTok page. You can visit our YouTube channel, and you can get more information on the books that I'm giving review on this page. And you can also subscribe our channel if you guys haven't subscribed it yet, and hit the bell icon also, so whenever I upload a new video you will get a notification. And if you wanted to buy one of these books, I'm reminding you again, you can visit our website, that is www.bestbookforyou.co.uk. So here you're going to find every book that I'm giving a review on the incredible, or you can say the best prices. So visit our website right now and buy your favorite books. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, just take